Are you tired of lying awake at 3 a.m., your mind racing with 100 different worries? Do you find yourself feeling more anxious or irritable, with no clear reason why? Or do you get those frustrating muscle twitches and cramps that just won't go away? You've likely attributed these symptoms to age or stress, telling yourself they're just a part of life. But what if these problems, the poor sleep, the constant anxiety, the muscle spasms are all signals from your body, a warning sign that you are deficient in one of the most critical minerals for your health? This problem is a silent epidemic among older adults, a magnesium deficiency. In this video, we're going on a deep dive to expose the hidden dangers of magnesium deficiency and reveal a simple 3-step protocol to replenish your levels and transform your health. We'll show you exactly how to get this vital mineral back into your body, calm your nervous system, and finally start sleeping soundly again. This is the conversation you need to have about your health. Before we dive into this life-changing information, drop a comment below and tell us what you're struggling with: sleep issues, anxiety, or something else. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a health-boosting tip from L-Threonate. 1. The hidden epidemic. Why magnesium is your body's calm-down switch to truly solve this problem. We must first understand what magnesium is and why it's so vital. Magnesium is a master mineral involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body. It is the calm-down switch for your entire system. It's what helps your muscles relax, your brain quiet down, and your heart maintain a steady rhythm. But here's the problem. An estimated 50 to 80% of seniors are deficient in magnesium. As we age, our bodies absorb less magnesium from food, and many common medications like diuretics for blood pressure or acid reflux drugs can deplete our magnesium stores. This deficiency is a silent epidemic because its symptoms are so often dismissed as a normal part of getting older. Let's break down the hidden effects of a magnesium deficiency. Restless sleep and insomnia. Magnesium plays a critical role in producing melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep cycle. It also helps activate GABA receptors, which are the neurotransmitters that calm your nervous system. Without enough magnesium, your body can't flip its calm-down switch, leading to restless nights and difficulty falling or staying asleep. Chronic stress and anxiety. When you're low on magnesium, your nervous system is on high alert. This can make you more susceptible to stress and anxiety. It's like living with the fight or flight response constantly a little bit activated. You feel on edge, irritable, and worried for no apparent reason. Muscle twitches, spasms, and cramps. Magnesium is a natural muscle relaxant. It helps muscles release their tension after a contraction. When you have a deficiency, your muscles can't fully relax, leading to involuntary twitches, spasms, and those painful nighttime leg cramps. High blood pressure and heart palpitations. Magnesium helps regulate blood pressure by relaxing your blood vessels. Without enough of it, your vessels can constrict, leading to high blood pressure. It's also crucial for maintaining a steady heart rhythm. The key takeaway is this: you cannot ignore these symptoms. They are your body's way of signaling a critical need. You must be proactive in replenishing your magnesium stores. 2. The solution. A simple 3-step magnesium protocol. So, how do you fix this? The solution isn't just a simple supplement. This comprehensive 3-step protocol is designed to tackle the problem from multiple angles to ensure maximum absorption and benefit. Step 1. The dietary fix. Your first line of defense is your diet. The best way to get magnesium is through whole foods, as they come with other beneficial vitamins and minerals. Focus on incorporating these foods into your daily meals. Leafy green vegetables. Foods like spinach and Swiss chard are magnesium powerhouses. A single cup of cooked spinach can provide over 150 milligrams of magnesium. Nuts and seeds. Pumpkin seeds, almonds, and cashews are incredibly rich in magnesium. A handful of pumpkin seeds alone can give you nearly half of your daily needs. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, is an excellent source of magnesium and antioxidants. A small square can be a perfect way to end your day. Avocados and bananas. These fruits are not only delicious but also good sources of magnesium, which helps with muscle relaxation and sleep. Step 2. The supplement protocol. While diet is crucial, it's often not enough, especially if you have a significant deficiency. This is where supplements come in, but not all magnesium supplements are created equal. The type you choose depends on your specific needs. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement. Magnesium glycinate. This form is highly bioavailable and is known for its calming properties. It is the best choice for improving sleep and reducing anxiety because it doesn't have a laxative effect. Magnesium L-Threonate. This is the only form of magnesium that has been shown to effectively cross the blood-brain barrier. It is the best choice for improving cognitive function, memory, and combating brain fog. Magnesium citrate. This form is excellent for digestive health. It is a good choice if you also struggle with constipation, but it can cause loose stools if you take too much. Step 3. The topical solution. This is a unique and highly effective way to absorb magnesium that many people don't know about. For some, oral supplements can cause digestive issues. The topical application of magnesium bypasses the digestive system and is absorbed directly through the skin. Epsom salt baths. A warm bath with a cup or two of Epsom salts magnesium sulfate can be incredibly relaxing. The magnesium is absorbed through your skin, helping to relax your muscles and calm your nervous system. Magnesium oil sprays. These sprays can be applied directly to your skin, especially on areas where you experience muscle cramps or soreness. It provides fast, targeted relief. 3. The life-changing benefits of a magnesium-rich life. So, what can you expect when you consistently follow this protocol? The benefits are often dramatic and life-changing. Dramatically improves sleep. As your nervous system calms down, you'll find that you can fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Your nights will be restful, and you'll wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Reduced stress and anxiety. With your body's calm down switch back online, you'll feel more centered and less reactive to daily stressors. The constant worry will begin to fade, leaving you with a sense of peace. Fewer muscle twitches and cramps. By providing your muscles with the magnesium they need to relax, those painful cramps and annoying twitches will become a thing of the past. You'll be able to move with greater ease and comfort. Better heart health. By helping to relax your blood vessels, magnesium can contribute to lower blood pressure and a healthier heart. This 3-step protocol is one of the most powerful and simple things you can do for your health right now. It is a proactive step you can take to move from a life of restlessness and fatigue to one of vitality, calm, and well-being. If you found this deep dive helpful, please hit the like button. It helps us bring you more valuable content. Let us know in the comments below if you'll be trying this protocol. And, of course, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest health tips and insights. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.